Many immigration attorneys and advocates are hopeful a recent ruling by the U.S. Supreme Court will help bring down the historic number of cases backlogged in our immigration court system. The backlog stands at 2.3 million cases. While the ruling is seen as a victory for the Biden administration, it by no means provides a long-term solution to our immigration crisis. KPRC 2 investigator Robert Arnold looks at the numbers and hears from two lawyers about how Friday's ruling may help in the immediate. Robert.
Currently, it takes an average of 686 days for an immigration case to work through the courts. In Houston, which has much more crowded immigration dockets than other states, it can take an average of 1,100 days to work through the system. Exactly how Friday's ruling will impact these numbers is something we discussed with two immigration attorneys and an immigration rights activist.
Without a doubt, it's going to help.
Immigration attorney Rayed Gonzalez hopes the recent Supreme Court ruling will bring uniformity in how federal prosecutors handle deportation cases. President Biden's administration wants to focus on those in the country illegally who've committed crimes, are gang members, or are a threat to national security.
They're giving an assurance that these are the ones that we need to get out now. These are the important ones that we should concentrate on. So everybody else, it's not a priority at this time.
Gonzalez says giving federal prosecutors the discretion to put low-priority cases on the back burner or dismiss them should help alleviate some of the backlog. However, it does not mean these low-priority cases go away.
That doesn't mean that they cannot a year later or a month later or 10 years later still put that person back into immigration court proceedings.
Immigration attorney Charles Foster has worked with both Republican and Democratic administrations. He says a different presidential administration can have different priorities, and without immigration reform, nothing is settled in the wider immigration debate.
The Supreme Court didn't say we're going to stop deportations.
Head of the immigrant rights organization, FIEL, Cesar Espinosa says even if a case is dismissed, the person is essentially in limbo, not a target for immediate deportation, but also has no legal standing to stay in the U.S.
What this does call attention to is the fact that we believe we need comprehensive immigration reform so that.
And the Supreme Court's ruling last week does not address immigration reform. Texas and Louisiana sued President Biden's administration over the setting of enforcement guidelines. The Supreme Court ruled the states didn't have legal standing to bring that lawsuit. Live in the newsroom, Robert Arnold, KPRC 2 News.